के साथ, मिर्चों के साथ, and I love it, so that's why I'm gonna have it.
Turab Haider says, hello ma'am, please read. I am your true fan. I'm mixing two comments. Huge fan from Lahore.
Hi.
Hi Areej, I'm from India and I'm your biggest fan, Hibba Fatma.
Thank you so much. And my problem right now is that I'm chewing a bubble gum and I have to go through it and then I can have a soup.
Okay, out of the frame, go. Don't
Let me get
spoil
back.
the soup. Okay, since the celebrity is out, hi guys. Areej be back soon. I don't know what to say.
Here I am. The kitchen is right next door, so I don't have to go far away. तो हमारे पास ये sauces हैं और हमारे पास ये soup है. क्या आपको लगता है? आज बोलिए ना कुछ. आप soup भी पिए ना साथ साथ.
Okay, someone's asking about your weight.
Okay, I fluctuate.
ऐसे questions नहीं पूछते, especially with the girls, you know.
But then I read people telling के, you know those YouTube videos where people are like, let me tell you about Areej, and then they put in some information about my weight and says 50. It's not 50.
While they haven't even like met you.
Yeah.
Never ever, है ना?
हाँ तो मेरे तो होता है कि इतना मेहनत करके मैं 45 पे आती हूँ. ये 50 क्यों बोलते हैं? तो it's like 45, 47.
Areej just look like my nephew Mama. You resemble her nephew.
Sweet.
Her niece actually.
That's cute.
I have a crush on you. आपका ड्रामा किस्सा मेहर बानो का बहुत अच्छा है. अच्छी एक्टिंग की आपने. Thank you.
Thank you.
Love from Uganda.
Uganda. Where is Uganda?
Please say Muskan's name. She's your biggest fan.
Hi Muskan. You know what I'm playing next? My character name is also Muskan.
Yeah.
So that's so sweet.
From where you ordered hot and sour soup? We ordered it from China Ming.
How is it? People from Karachi, do you know how is it? Because we are having a nice experience. है ना अच्छा है मतलब क्या? We ordered first time from over there, so it's nice.
Great work in Qissa Meher Bano ka. Love your work. Big fan from Karachi. Neighbor. Say my name. He is Anam Shafiq.
Hi
You
Anam.
say it.
Hi
She
Anam.
wants you to say it.
Hi Anam Shafiq. I just ate a chili. मुझे Sprite चाहिए. Who? Ha.
Oh, please don't make that joke. Okay. Can I say something about it? Because
No.
next time Sprite can sponsor her, तो मैं spoil नहीं कर रही.
How do you like that ad?
Aisha Masroor, please give me some tips how to cover syllabus. ये मुझसे पूछी जा रही है.
मुझे प्लीज इनको बहुत एक्सपीरियंस है आजकल. She's still
और मेरा सारा सिलेबस पढ़ा हुआ है. And I am now to short books, so जितना भी करो कम है. Just do it. Keep going. Don't leave.
इंस्पिरेशन बताएं आप. आपको क्या इंस्पायर करता है पढ़ने में? आप कैसे मोटिवेट करती हैं आप खुद को? Well, tell us about it because I know I'm way past that.
I'll tell you the only motivation.
Yeah.
Supply नहीं होनी चाहिए. That's the only motivation. She's a celebrity, guys. मैं तो ऐसे ही part time में.
She's a motivational speaker.
अच्छा, ये कब हुआ?
She gives so many like good. She's very good at it because she's learning how to cope up with people problems. Okay, this से लेकर
This is what I'm learning.
No. This is very good. It's very good. It's very good in a way that she's always there for people, and I think she will make a very good doctor as well. Inshallah. So,
okay, Mr. Masab is saying, I'm from Khanewal. Please say something about my city. Have you been to Khanewal? Sorry, sir. None of us have been to Khanewal.
Can you tell us about Khanewal, and then we can have information? मुझे नहीं idea.
अच्छा, once I went home via like train, तो रास्ते में आया था Khanewal, and someone told me वहाँ की वो बहुत मजे की है. मिठाई something कुछ होती है round सी. I don't know the name.
जलेबी.
No, not
round.
मिठाई होती है. It's like something else.
Okay.
कोई हलवा type. I don't know. Maybe the person knows better. Please say hi to Ghazal.
हाय गजल. आपको मैं स्टोरी सुनाती हूँ. मैंने सेल दिए थे, बहुत महंगे थे, फिर मैंने छोटे वाले सेल because I just bought these lights. I love these lights. This is just an extra information. Doesn't have to be related to anything. बस ऐसे सोचा बता. मेरे पेट से आवाज़ें.
You are from Rawalpindi? Anand Shafiq is asking.
Yes, basically I'm from Rawalpindi. Yeah.
I'm your biggest fan.
You are not in a frame. Please come closer.
I am.
Yeah.
I don't want to be full in the frame.
Then I have to move it further away so that we can both get.
It's perfect.
Perfect.
I guess people are liking it that way. They want to see you more. Hello, ma'am.
No.
I'm from India, Kannauj. I'm sorry if I read it wrong. I don't know आपने ना नाम लिखा है या it's the city. आप बहुत cute है. माशाल्लाह, biggest fan. She's cutest.
Thank you.
And she's not just cute with the look, you know. She is like made cute. कुछ लोग होते हैं ना, you wanna call them cute. She's the cute.
Oh, that's so sweet. I love you.
ये हम बाद में करेंगे. और ये बताओ, पता नहीं कहाँ गया मैसेज.
ठंडा हो गया मेरा सूप.
I left your. हाँ, हमारा सूप ठंडा हो गया.
मैंने चाय बनाई थी अपने लिए और वो पता नहीं कहाँ गई.
And now I'll have chai sharbat.
चाय शरबत बन गया वो.
I don't know who she's saying, to be honest. Ayman Khan, please reply.
Huh? Maybe you're calling her Eman? Eman?
Ayman will be so shocked today. No, भाई मेरा दूर दूर तक ऐसा कोई ताल्लुक नहीं. कहाँ से ये देखे, धोया भी नहीं मुंह मैंने. I'm your fan since you came in Good Morning Pakistan.
जब बुरे तक मैं खा रही हूँ, I'm so sorry about it.
Say my name, please. I'm your biggest fan. I have watched all of your dramas and waiting for more. Zara Babar. Please say her name.
Hi Zara Babar. How are you? I'm so sorry for eating it in a way that is very unattractive. But when I eat like nobody's watching.
Muhammad Bilal has a question. Why do girls always hide their age?
I don't.
We don't.
And not so many. It's just a rumor, I guess. It's just something that people say. It's not rumor. What do we say? Something that's out there and it's not true. It's just
Myth, maybe.
Myth. Yeah.
Achha, I believe the times have come कि now people are changing and now I don't think so you can really hide it क्योंकि सब कुछ तो वैसे भी you know you just need to Google someone's age. लेकिन वहाँ पे भी हाँ बहुत सारी चीजें हैं that can be fake लेकिन I don't think so people hide it anymore. आप बहुत innocent हो. आगे पता नहीं कहाँ. I'm not wearing my spectacles so इसीलिए मैं आपका ड्रामा देखता हूँ. मसाब.
Thank you so much.
अच्छा ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है कि मैं कुछ लोगों के कमेंट ज़्यादा पढ़ रही हूँ बट प्लीज़ डोंट थिंक सो कि मैं कोई फेवरेटिज्म कर रही हूँ बट आई होप वन डे यू विल बी हियर इन मुंबई. You never know.
I didn't even thought कि I'd be here in Karachi, so now you can expect anything from anyone in this.
Your curls are love. I didn't mean it. I mean I love you. Shit. I don't know why I did that.
Thank you so much, guys.
Oh shit, someone is saying please बंद कर दो सूप पीना मेरा पेपर है कल मुझे भूख लग जाती है देख के. Oh I'm so sorry for you. I feel sorry for you. और एक हफ्ते में मेरा भी पेपर है.
अल्लाह मेरे पेट से आवाज़ आ रही है. अल्लाह आप लोगों को कामयाब करे जिनके भी पेपर्स करीब हैं. मुझे याद आ रहा है अपना.
Okay, someone has a good question and I also want to know that from you क्योंकि मैंने ऐसी कोई बात नहीं की आज तक आपसे. ऐसी कुछ नहीं है. इतना भी इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं है. Who is more handsome, विराट और बाबर आजम? बाबर लिखा है तो बाबर आजम ही होगा maybe.
I don't know cricket very much. I know Virat only from Anushka because they got married and I know about it. But I don't. You know that how
He's asking who's more handsome.
I don't remember
You don't
who
have
Babar
to.
Azam. Nah, I'm not familiar with the person. But and you know how
Babar
I
Azam
am
is
with
our-
Captain.
Yeah.
I know that much. Like I don't remember the face.
Muhammad Saif wants you to say his name.
Hi Muhammad Saif.
Hi, joining from USA, Nawab Zada Rana Adnan. Okay, so Rahman says, please say my name. I want to record this moment when you say my name because I'm your big fan and the lover of your voice.
Rahman?
Rahman, that's it. I don't know what's the full name. Just say Rehman.
1, 2, 3. Rehman, that's it.
Oh shit! It was that's it. I read it as
Oh, Rehman,
that's it. Yeah, bro. Nice name.
Nice name.
Yeah.
Good choice. I just finished this bowl. It's like 2 spoons away. So
Areej, आपकी आवाज बहुत प्यारी है. Oh yes, why don't you sing something? Inky, let's reveal the talent. Yeah, she is a very good
नहीं
singer. She
तभी मैं
is.
सोचा भी नहीं, मैं बिल्कुल ब्लैंक हूँ.
Oh please.
Oh please.
अच्छा सोचें आप तब तक. हम कमेंट्स पढ़ते हैं. Big fan, say my name, Wajiha. Wajiha.
Hi Wajiha. Guys, I can you know, you guys say
I
that I
look
don't.
really bad.
No, you don't.
I do.
You don't.
Shit, I just realized.
No.
It's okay. Continue.
So you guys say that I don't reply. First of all, she's not looking bad. You're not looking bad.
Mad तो लग रही हूँ और bad भी लग रही हूँ.
नहीं, bad भी लग रही है और bad भी लग रही है. मैंने अभी बताती हूँ एक बात.
मैं
वो
हमेशा
2 वाक़यात हैं.
तब
मेरे पास.
लाइव आ रहे हैं जब मैं नहाती ही नहीं हूँ. Sorry guys, having my exams. Okay, you continue. Best excuse.
I have to do my oiling by tonight because I have shoot tomorrow and I have to wash my hair. जिंदगी का
सबसे मुश्किल काम.
कहाँ से कहाँ मुश्किलात में नहीं आई. अच्छा चले, मैं कह रही थी एक बात कि क्या हुआ ना, मैंने शुगर कैन का जूस मतलब फ्रेश मंगवाया था. भूल गई कि वो है, वो फ्रिज में रहा. उसमें लेमन भी था. आई थिंक उसकी वजह से ना वो थोड़ा सा फ्रेगमेंटेशन हो जाती है. फर्मेंटेशन होगी गाइस उसमें, और वो ना लगता है खराब शराब हो गया, कुछ जायका आ गया.
Okay, your favorite celebrities in industry.
I like nowadays I like Bilal Abbas.
Yeah, he's good.
Yeah, for some reason I like him. And Fahad Mustafa, I like him. I would love to work with him one day. Inshallah. और बस.
Your favorite celebrities and actresses, you want to know?
Actresses, Aiza Khan, I like Aiza Khan. I like Mahira Khan. I like Maya Ali. I like Sajal, obviously. Who doesn't like Sajal? And और कौन है? बस ये मुझे ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती है.
Okay, so someone is saying कि we love your curls. कर्ल्स में आप अच्छी लगती
अच्छा, वो
हैं.
क्या मोबाइल से जाकर मोबाइल से करके देखो, हमें मैसेज भी पढ़ने में आसानी हो जाएगी. ऐसे कर.
हाँ, और मैं पतली भी हूँ.
ऐसे क्यों किया आपने पहले?
It's a trick. Thank
Oh,
you.
nice.
Thank you. Who's this life savior?
कितना अच्छी जिंदगी का हमें मशवरा दे रही है. समझ नहीं आ रही
Nice.
मैसेज कैसे पढ़े.
हमें ये था कि हम दोनों फिट इन हो जाएं, लेकिन आई गेस अब हम अच्छे भी लग रहे हैं और looks better.
It's better.
Everything is better. Hello guys, I'm a big fan. Hi Asma.
Hi Asma. एक बार आमना बोल तो प्लीज. Hi आमना.
Ranbir Kapoor is most handsome. Someone is saying.
He is.
You are.
I like Noor Hassan. I like Noor Hassan very much. I would love to work with him again.
You are on TikTok or not?
I was on TikTok. I used to make a lot of TikToks. Still I make videos with songs in background. लेकिन अब मैं वैसे TikTok use नहीं करती जैसे.
Someone is saying controversial है थोड़ा.
क्या? नहीं.
शादी कब कर रही हैं आप sis? I didn't call you. Yeah, someone said it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Anaya Khan.
I will. कौन कैसे बता सकता है? मैं कैसे बता सकती हूँ? आपको पता है आप कब कर रहे हैं?
Someone is saying नूर हसन ने आपको ज्वाइन भी किया है.
I'll see. Hi Noor, if you're there, I hope you're doing good.
Yeah. I was your senior in Beria, Hamaduddin.
Hi Hamad.
आपको BTS का कौन सा मेंबर पसंद है?
Taehyung. V. I love V.
Your mother is a complete inspiration. May Allah bless her. Ameen, ameen. Her mother is love. I love auntie more than her. More than I love her.